Hello everyone, in this video we are going to connect the Arduino to the IDE. For that you have to connect the Arduino Uno into any of the specific USB port that are defined in your computer. Okay, after clicking that, open the Arduino IDE. You can see that the icon on your desktop as Arduino, it's going to open, and then click on tools. After clicking on tools, you can get the ports as detail, and this port you can see that it is written COM port 7, that is Arduino Uno or Arduino Genuino. Click on that. After clicking on that, you have to set the board. For it, as it is selected default as Arduino Uno, but if any other type of board is selected like this, you have to click on here back on the board and you have to select Arduino Uno or Arduino Genuino. You have to check where you have to know what is the icons and how they are deferred or how they are put on the screen. This is for the new tab, rename or deleting of the files, and this one you can see that this icon is for serial monitor. I will be telling you about serial monitor afterwards. All the other options are on the top that are about the sketching, formatting, their tool selecting, and using Arduino as a bootloader. And in here sketch, you can see that you can import sketch, you can add libraries to it, and you can even compile the sketches. Okay, now going back to the PPT, we can see here about the structure of the Arduino. This is the icon that is for Arduino. This is the place where a green bar will appear if you are going to install or upload the program onto the board. This bar will show the percentage of program that has been installed in the board. This is the button that is required when the program is written in the Arduino IDE. After putting, we have to install or download the program to the Arduino board. For that, select the settings as I have shown you earlier, such as selecting COM port 6, getting it confirmed as Arduino Genuino, and click on that icon. After that, the program will install automatically onto the board. Okay, let's try one program. You can say it example as Arduino Blink, or you can say it as the embedded hello world. First of all, go to file, click on example, go to the basics and click on Blink. A new window will appear that has the program known as Blink. You can see here the LED pin, LED built-in. First of all, it is LED pin 13. You have to know that LED built-in is set to the pin that is named as LED pin, digital pin 13. You can test it by writing LED pin 13, LED pin 13 and LED pin 13. Okay, after going to that, go to the tools, select Arduino COM port 7. This is right. We have selected Arduino Uno Genuino. Okay, that is also right. First of all, we have to compile the sketch. Click here. The sketch is being compiled. You can see the green bar here, which is showing the status of the compilation. If any error occurs, this green bar and this whole blue strip is going to turn into orange. We will do that within a second. Okay, write a word here. Anything you can write. I have written the word H, and now we are going to compile it. It will show an error that it is not in the format as described, so we delete H. Now again compile it. We can see the compilation is done without an error. So next, go to the upload button. Here the button with an arrow icon. Click on that. The bar will appear and there will be lighting on the board. After that, you can see that the program is been uploaded on the board, and there is a blinking is done on the pin 13 and an LED that is connected to pin 13 on the board. I will show you in just a second.